Hello, welcome to this update. So, in this update, we'll discuss a very rare event that is happening there in Africa. So, because there's the Sahara, one of the driest deserts on Earth, and there's a rare rainfall event that's already happening and forecast to continue happening there in parts of the Sahara, where some areas of the Sahara could exceed 500% the average rainfall for the months of August and September. So let's see. So in Central Africa, you see there all the showers and storms from the monsoon trough and tropical convergence zone along there, but you can see some of the storms linger further north, like southern Libya and northern Chad. Those areas are like very arid there because of the desert, and even some other areas there. So you can see it keeps going there, even to southern Algeria there could have more rainfall in respect to average. And let's see, this is the GFS. It shows that rainfall is Central Africa, and then some of it lingers north there into more areas of the Sahara. For example, as you can see here, this is a forecast from the GFS model, and that quadrant there is like mainly the desert, like the Sahara, where these events forecast to happen, because below that is like the more tropical areas, so it's normal there. But in that quadrant, it's like more harsh desert, and some areas could get some very above average rainfall, like more than 500% the average rainfall for these months. So this is a very rare event there. And as you can see here, this is the tropical convergence zone, and it lingers more to the north than normal. So this belt of showers and storms that lie close to the equator, like the tropical convergence zone, it lingered more to the north than normal, allowing these showers and storms to affect more areas of the Sahara there. So, and this is the monthly precipitation like forecast from some climate models, shows above average rainfall for forecast for September as well. So let's see. And the European model has some accumulations here. Let's see in the next like 5 days. So in the next 5 days, it shows a lot there in the tropical areas in southern Niger, a lot, so be careful there. But in those desert areas where this rare event will happen, it shows some rainfall there, like 37, 29 millimeters there. Nothing crazy, but not normal for those desert areas, because the ITCZ has lingered from further north than normal, so more rain in those desert areas. And then if I put this until September 5th, no big difference, but it shows more in southern Algeria too, and some areas there. So let's see, the GFS, it shows a similar thing, but it shows even more in the desert, especially in Algeria and southern Libya there. And the icon, the icon's short range, but it also shows in southern Libya, that's like harsh desert, some in Algeria, northern Chad, Niger. So this is a very crazy event. So because those areas are usually kept dry because of the Hadley cell, the intense high pressure cell that sinks the air and prevents cloud formation. But now with the ITCZ moving further north and kind of disrupting that, those rains will be able to reach the desert there. So uh, it's nothing crazy, like nothing dangerous, but those areas will receive like way more rainfall than normally. This event usually occurs uh, once in a decade, or one time in a few decades, and they say this could be one of the most significant ones in the last few decades there. So keep in mind. And let's see, And talking about further south, like areas like Western Africa, like Guinea, Sierra Leone, be careful there because those tropical waves could cause some really heavy rain there. So be careful there. In other portions of Central Africa, be careful during heavy rainfall and thunderstorms. It could cause some isolated flooding in some areas. Even into Mali and Niger there, the Europeans show a lot of rainfall there, a big belt of heavy rain from those tropical waves the next 5 days in Yemen, Ethiopia, Sudan, Chad especially. So be careful there. And if you are in the desert, you'll be happy to receive some rains, and note that it will be a really rare event. Bye. Thanks for watching.